Step into the world of late 19th century religious art with Adolf Pirsch's Papst Leo XIII. Painted around 1900, this portrait offers a glimpse into the life and reign of one of the most influential popes of the era. Pirsch's masterful brushstrokes capture the wisdom and authority of Pope Leo XIII. The portrait is a testament to the artist's skill in rendering the likeness of a complex and powerful figure. This painting is more than just a portrait. It's a historical document. It offers us a window into the papacy at a time of great change and challenges. Through this artwork, we can appreciate the role of the Catholic Church in late 19th century Europe. This painting is a testament to the enduring power of religious art. It reminds us of the individuals who have shaped history and the institutions that have guided humanity for centuries. So the next time you see a portrait, consider the story it tells and the legacy it represents.